Dreaming of rolling green hills, misty mountains, and ancient ruins? Welcome to the Wicklow Way, Ireland's most iconic long-distance trail. Hike at your own pace. Explore Ireland's oldest long-distance trail. Stay in cozy Irish guest houses with legendary hospitality. Start hiking just outside Dublin. Nature is waiting right around the corner. Perfect for nature lovers, solo travelers, and couples who crave meaningful adventure with a side of Guinness. Explore it your way with our self-guided tour. Freedom, fresh air, and unforgettable adventure. Hike through wild Wicklow mountains, past glens, streams, and quiet forests. Wander through Glendalough, an ancient monastic site straight out of a fairy tale. Mossy ruins, misty lakes, pure Irish soul. Choose your adventure. 5-day highlight tour. 8-day full Wicklow Way experience. What's included in your tour? Hand-picked accommodations, luggage transfers, trail notes and maps, local transfers where needed. No planning stress. We handle the logistics. You just hike, feel the history, live the landscape, leave with stories you'll tell forever. So are you ready to hike the Wicklow Way? Book your Wicklow Way tour with monkeys and mountains, hiking and adventures. Let Ireland move you. Click the link and start your adventure. Slainte.